Hello there. So today I want to show you something that honestly still kind of, blow my mind every time I do it. So I'm going to use AI to build a full design system like the token, the variables, the style guide, the whole thing. So I'm going to do it before I even design a single screen on Figma. So just stay with me because by the end of this video, you are going to want to try it yourself. Okay, so let me give you a bit of the context for. So, if you ever built a design system from scratch, you know how painful it is. You are sitting there, you'll be naming colors, setting up the spacing skills, making your topography consistent, creating component variants, and you haven't even started on the actual product yet. So, I used to spend days on this, sometimes weeks, if it was a big project. And most of the time, it wasn't even creative work. It was just you organizing, naming things, making sure nothing was inconsistent. So it was the part of the job I liked least, honestly. So what's changed? So I connected Figma MCP to Claude AI. So now, if you haven't heard of MCP, so MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So basically, is a way to give AI tools like Cloud, like all different AI tools to have direct access to your Figma file. So Claude can actually read your canvas. It can see your layers, your components, your structure, everything in your Figma file. So and once it can see all of that, you can just talk to it like like a collaborator, you're working together. Yeah, what I actually do. So this is important because this is where most people, they go wrong with AI. So they just open Cloud or any AI and type a random prompt. So if you do that, AI will make mistakes, certainly. So they can give you wrong spacing, inconsistent grid, color that don't make sense together. So it just guesses. So before I even touch any AI, I do my proper work first. I open Gemini and I just start brainstorming. I tell it about the project I want to do. What is it for? Who is it for? The few. And I will use that to help me to think through and draft everything. So like my color usage, the primary color, the secondary, the neutral, the font and the top scales, the spacing value and the grid. So everything I need for the project all in one place. Then I go further to instruct Gemini the AI exactly what I want to build. So in what order, the rules to follow and what not to do. And Gemini helped me to reform all of it, clean it up, make sure the design principles are solid, and also make sure that everything follow the golden rule of a good design system. So I basically treat it like, like a briefing a junior designer. So you don't just say build a design system. You tell the AI exactly what you want, what rules you want, and Gemini help me to get that brief perfect. So by the time I paste it into Claude AI, it's not just a prompt anymore. It's a fully structured brief. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first 3 steps of the actual prompt I use so you can follow along. So the first thing you're going to do first is go to your Figma file and copy the link, paste it on Claude AI, and write check Figma status. Then you wait and let's see what happens. So okay, now Claude AI can read our Figma file now. So let's go to the next step. So okay, now the next step is for you to copy the first prompt, paste it on Claude AI to generate the first part 1 of the design system that we want to build, and wait for it to start building it. You can see that it's already building it now. So I'm waiting for it to build so I can move to the second step. So next step now is copy the second prompt, paste it to the Figma file also, and let's wait for it to build the colors also. Okay, the next step is for us to generate our color variable. So you paste the Figma, the prompt also, and paste it to Claude AI to start generating the variable. So let's wait and see how to see the building. So if you want to try this yourself, what you need is Cloud AI, the Figma MCP connection, and a Figma file for you to work with. If this was useful, kindly hit the like button. It actually help more people to find this video. Kindly subscribe if you want more of this kind of stuff, and let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you and have a lovely day.